Solomon, the king who spoke to birds. This is the story of Suleiman, known in the West as Solomon. A prophet, a king, and according to legend, the only man. In Islamic tradition, Solomon wasn't just wise, he was extraordinary. The Quran tells us he was taught the language of birds. And his kingdom included not only humans, but animals and spirits. Quran 27:16, we have been taught the language of birds. And we have been given from all things. In Surah An-Naml, 27:16. One bird, in particular, plays a key role, the hoopoe, or hudhud. When this small bird disappears from Solomon's court, the king takes notice. But when the hoopoe returns, it brings news that would change history. The bird reveals the existence of a distant queen, Bilqis, ruler of Sheba. Powerful, wealthy, but unaware of the one God. Solomon sends a message, not of war, but of faith. According to Islamic texts, birds were part of Solomon's army, shading him from the sun, scouting from above, even delivering messages. Some legends say they helped construct his palace, lifting materials into place. In Jewish tradition, Solomon's wisdom is legendary.